Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to teach you guys about how to apply transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this will make your video quality a lot smoother and it'll look a lot better. So first off, when we come into Premiere Pro, I've got my audio and my video here. And so if I start it right now, alright, so we'll click this. Alright, cistern time. That was kind of fast, but what we'll want to do first is go up here to Effects, so click Effects, and then you can see there's like audio transitions and video transitions. You want to do both. So first off, we'll go to Video Transitions, and then we'll go to dissolve. So what we would want to do is a cross dissolve, and we would want to move one over to the beginning. So it's usually short. Like this one is about 1 second long, so let's see what it looks like now. Alright, so that was a little bit better, but I want to make mine maybe be a little bit longer. So why don't we set it to about why don't we try 2 seconds and see how that looks? Alright, cistern time. Yeah, that's better. And then what we want to do at the same time, we want to do an audio transition too. So we'll go ahead and get out of video transitions and go to audio transitions. And what we'll want to do is go to Exponential Fade and then put this at the start. Let's go ahead and drag it. Let me see. There we go. I was having a hard time with that. So now this is 1 second. We usually want our audio transition to be about the same as our video. So let's make that 2 seconds and see how that looks. Alright, cistern time. Okay, that's better. So now what we would also want to do is go to the end, and we would probably want to do about the same. We'll do an exponential fade under audio, make it also be about 2 seconds, and then we'll go back into video transitions and do a cross dissolve, make that be about 2 seconds. So let's see how it looks. It should be more of a fade out rather than a sudden stop. Beautiful. Alright guys, anyhow, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. And stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much.